Hi, I'm Iverson Lee. I'm entrepreneur and Chinese metaphysics specialist. Over the last 10 years, I've worked with countless individuals from all walks of life, assisting them in transforming their destiny by making informed and strategic decisions using Chinese metaphysics such as BaZi, Feng Shui, Qi and Yi Jing. I receive a lot of questions about how to transform someone's financial destiny. First of all, although we don't get to choose our BaZi astrology chart, but we get to choose what approach we can adopt that lead us to a richer, fuller, and happier life. Would you like to know more? I have a good news for you. If you're committed to make a change, your chance has arrived because in 2024 is the big transition from period 8 to period 9. This is a time the cosmic portal will be opening that gives us the chance to reset our destiny. So, 2024 is an important and powerful year to redesign your life again. Period 9 represents the rise of the phoenix, a call to rise from ashes. This is a period of rebirth, rejuvenation, beacon of hope, renewed strength, vitality, and destiny transformation. And I want you to be part of this cosmic transformation here. To an untrained eye, period 9 seems like uncharted territory with dangerous terrain. However, for me, as a Chinese metaphysics specialist, I predicted this way back 7 years ago. If you've been following my work for a while, you will remember me saying that starting from period 9, which is 2024 onwards, the main challenges we all face are financial crisis, job losses, and business crisis. This is already happening, isn't it? And it will continue. While it looks dark and gloomy, I want you to know that it also presents tremendous wealth opportunities if you know the right buttons to push. First thing first, the way we used to make money no longer works in period 9. If you look way back to 1900, there are 3 cycles or waves to generate wealth. The first wave is about the rise of industrial wealth, where they build factories and manufacturing plants. Around 65 years later, there was the rise of corporation, where people pursue college degrees to secure good jobs in big companies. And now, we are in the third wave, or we call this period 9, which is the rise of attention economy, or the rise of personal branding. In period 9, the person who commands the attention will command the flow of wealth. The faster you can change and adapt using my period 9 techniques, the more unfair advantages you will have. Not only that, you also must learn about the investment flow in period 9. Since I knew all these strategies ahead of time, I make use of the pre-period 9 period, which is 2017 until 2023, to create millions for myself and for my clients. Is it because I'm smart or I have a great BaZi chart? No. It's because I discovered the master key to unlock period 9 wealth. I've perfected this formula and I coined this as Period 9 Wealth Blueprint 2.0. It's a step-by-step approach using BaZi, Feng Shui, Qi, Yi Jing, and date selection to create wealth opportunities flowing to you so you can thrive despite the gloomy economic outlook. For the first time ever, I've made the effort to compile all these wealth techniques and strategy, and I insert into my new online program, which is Wealth Mastery in Period 9. This Period 9 program will be conducted via live stream on 4th to 5th of May 2024, so you can watch this right from your own home. You're about to learn from me the step-by-step ultimate secret to wealth for the next 20 years. The original course fees for this program is $997, but if you enroll right now, you can secure it at an early bird price of $497. Not only that, if you enroll now, you're also entitled to 2 time-limited bonuses. I structure this program in a way that will enable you to understand and benefit from this even you're a beginner. If you forget everything else I told you today, remember this. This cosmic portal of change will open once every 20 years. If you miss this, you need to wait another 20 years for another chance to reset your financial destiny. This is the program you cannot afford not to learn in Period 9. Come and join me in this Wealth Mastery in Period 9 program this coming May. The registration link is as shown below, www.joeyup.com/wealth. In this program, I will guide you how to win big financially in Period 9, where your life will never be the same again. Grab the early bird prices and time-limited bonus before it's gone forever. I'm Iverson Lee. I look forward to see you in this program.